Hello guys, this is how you convert your I'm trying to make an advert, okay, and while trying to make the advert I'm going to use Narakeet. You can see that, right? Narakeet is what I want to use to make this advert for you. So I'm going to come up with an AI to speak for me. I've already created the what they call the script. I've already created the script already, okay. So but then what I'm going to do now is come over here and then search for this is Narakeet. Like I said, just come to narakeet.com, then you can do that, okay. Of course, you go to sign up, and when you sign up, okay, they're going to give you free platform for you to come up with some work. But by the time you have exhausted the free plan, you can go for the paid one, okay. So I'm using the free plan right now. You can also use the free plan. By the time you're exhausted, you can put in another password, another email address, and sign up for another account. If it works for you, good. If it doesn't work for you, you have to make the paid, okay. You have to pay to get it done. All right. So what I'm going to do is I need a British guy to speak for me. So if you click here right now, okay, if you click this way, you're going to see different guys, okay, different persons that who can speak for you. Okay, but this time around I need a British guy, a lady actually, to speak for me. So I go click on British. All right. Now the next I'm going to do is to look for a lady, because I want to use a lady face. Okay, I want to use a lady face. So I'm going to look for a lady to speak for me. All right, so I think I can use Emilia. All right, let me use Emilia. That's a lady. And then this is the place you're going to put the script. This is a formal script before. Okay, so I'm going to remove this script and put in another script. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So watch out. I'll click and then select all, and then I'm going to paste the one I want to paste. Okay, that is the one I want to paste. Then I have to take my time to edit it. Okay, so give me time to edit it. All right, guys, now let me talk to you about some few things. Okay, I've edited this. Okay, now look at this, please, attention. All right, do not put in some kind of like emojis or stickers in your write-up, okay, in your script, because if you do that, the person speaking, okay, because it's an AI, it will mention everything you put in there. So don't do that. One. Then secondly, also, this can actually convert any language. Okay, if you write this script right now in Igbo language or Yoruba or Hausa or any other language, okay, it's going to speak forth those languages for you. All right, it's going to just say it the way it's saying it. All right, so whatever you write for it is what it's going to speak for you. So I'm actually using English language, and I've edited everything right now here the way I want it to sound. So what I'm going to do is, remember, I'm using a lady's voice. You can decide to change your own, okay, to a male voice or female. We can even use a child voice, okay, but I'm using a Emilia voice, which is a female. So now that I've done that, the next I'm going to do is to click on create audio. Then we are good to go. All right, just watch out. All right, so you can see that it's loading right now, building your audio for you. Okay, so we're going to give it time to complete the process, and then I will take it off from there. Okay, we're almost done, 98% now. Okay, so we are done. So what you do is play. You can click here to play, to listen to it a bit and see if it's okay by you.
Seeking your dream job.
All right, okay, so because you have not downloaded it, it's going to take time. All right, so what we'll do is to download it here. Click here to download, or these three dots here to download it. Okay, then you can click on download. All right, download it, and then we're going to go back and edit. Okay, so here, just download, and then we are good to go. Now, okay, now how do you locate the voice? Okay, it's very simple. What you do now, I'm using Opera Mini right now, so just click here and then go to your download and see how it's been saved. That your download. Okay, this is the voice. Okay, this is it. So when you want to use, okay, look out for this. The first 2-3 words in your write-up is what they use to save the voice for you. Okay, so this is the voice you're going to use. All right. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do now is to come to studio.did.com. All right, this very one. Then make sure you sign up with them. If you have signed up with them, what we're going to do is to click on create. Remember, this should be in desktop site. Okay, click your 3 dots here. Make sure it's in desktop site. You can see it's being clicked here, right? You can see that it's marked desktop site because it doesn't work with Android phone, with smartphone. So you have to put it on desktop site for you to use it. Okay, very good. Now, what you do is come down here, click on create video. Click on create video. All right, so when it comes up, if you want to use any of the avatars here, you are free to go. Okay, but I'm not using any of the avatars, so I'm going to bring in my own avatar, right? So click on add. Click on add. All right, so this is the lady I want to use, okay? So about it now, you can get it from your device. By the time you click on add, it will take you to your device where the image is being stored, and then it will pop up, okay, like this. And then remember, you can see the number of credits you have down here. You can look at it here, down below here. You can see the number of credits. I have 13 credits left. So it depends on the load of your work, okay? And then as you are using it, it's a free version I'm using right now, okay? You can pay for it, okay? You can actually pay and then get everything free for yourself for a month or 2 months, as the case may be. But I'm using the free version. So what I'm going to do now is this. Now, if you use direct script, okay, if you use direct script, here you can see now, type your script here, okay? If you use direct script, it will take more credit from you. So what I do is, that's why I actually went and use my voice. I converted the text or the script to an audio with Narakeet, which we have done just now. And then you go to click here, bring the voice up, all right? So click here and then bring the voice up. You can see upload here. You can see upload your own voice. Click that. And then you go to upload that voice for you, okay? So come here, files, click on files, go to audio. All right, sorry about that. Okay, click on this files, click on your files, and then go to audio. Then you see this is the audio, okay? Seeking your dream. Remember that I will save it, right? Then click on it once, and then to upload the audio for you. All right, so guys, you can see now, if you look here right now, the audio has been uploaded, okay? So what you do now is come down here, click on generate video, click on that, and then to generate the video for you, okay? Then what you do is this. You can see here, look at it here. You go to click on generate again. Remember, I have this 5. I'm using 5 credits out of the 13. That means I'll be left with 8 credits. So click on generate. Then to generate the video for you. Okay, so watch out here. If you look at it, it's loading here. This is it. It's loading actually here, right? So to give it time to load. All right, so we are done loading the video. Now what you're going to do is click on the video once, just a little, tap it a little, and then you're going to see this 3 dots up here. Just click on the 3 dots, and then you're going to click on download. Click on download, all right? Then you are good to go. It will be downloaded now to your device, okay, to your smartphone that you are using. So give it time to load, to get straight to your device. All right, so what you do is, sorry about that, what you do now, you click on here, download again. Okay, download again. There to be downloaded. You can see it is downloaded right now to your device. Okay, so let's go to the device. All right, so guys, this is the video.
Job.
Listen to it.
Let Dwoco make it a reality.
Okay, so that is it.
Great.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is,
call me Miss Dwoco today.
What
I am a representative of Dr. Tam K.
Okay, let me pause. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this now to either KineMaster or to InShot or to CapCut and then start editing. Now this particular, their watermark here, I have to look for a way to remove it. Okay, so this is how you create your advert video, right? All right, so guys, this is CapCut. All right, so what I'm going to do is to edit the video that we've started. Click on the plus sign for a new project. Click on photos, and I'm going to look for a background. Okay, I want to use a white background. So I want to use this one. Okay, so get this one. All right, then click on add. Very good. Okay, so this is the background I want to use. Now remove, you can see here, click on this way to remove the what they call the CapCut watermark. Okay, just delete it. Delete, it's gone, right? Then what you're going to do, click on this and extend it, drag to your right. Drag it to your right, okay, to fill up the space of the video you are bringing in. All right, so what I'm going to do now, you cannot click on plus again. What you cannot do is to click outside and then click on overlay and bring the video in. Click on plus and then bring the video in. Click on video. This is video, okay, click on it, add it. All right, so this is it. So what we're going to do is to edit it. All right, what I will do now is I'm going to click on the see the video. This is the video line. You can see the video line, right? This is the background, this is the video line. You can see that the white background is what I use. This is the video line I want to use. So what we're going to do is come down here, make sure it's the background and the video should be on the same length. You can see, let it be on the same length, okay? So what I'm going to do is to drag the background again to your right to fill up to the same length with the video. Okay, that is it. Okay, so this is the end of the video. You can see the end of the video, right? And then this is the background. So cut it from here. You can cut the background somewhere here. All right, so click on the background. All right, then you go to see split. Click on split. And then click on delete. Click on delete to remove it. Okay, so you can see the same length right now. Okay, very good. Now what you're going to do is, let's come to the end. This one, tap on the video. Tap on the video line, all right? And then let us remove this DID, okay? Because to make it original and professional, you have to remove this, okay? It doesn't make sense. So let's remove that. So click on it, and then we're going to click on it, and then let's go to somewhere here. you're going to see edit. All right, let's look for edit. Have I passed it? Okay, so let me come this way. You're going to see this. Okay, very good. You're going to see edit. Click on edit, then click on crop. All right, and then what you're going to do is to drag it inside to remove that. Sorry, I went back. Okay, drag this in. Yeah, very good. You can see, drag it in. Okay, very good. It has gone, right? Then you can also drag this in a bit to your right. You can see, very good. Then click on this. Click on this to submit it. Very good. So what we're going to do now is to position. You can see I can move it to anywhere. Just position it very well. All right, position it very well. Position it in the way that you want it. Okay. All right, very good. That's why I want it. All right, so what I'm going to do now is to bring in, go back, and then go to my overlay, click on plus, and then I want to bring in something that I have designed with my Canva. Okay, this is it. Okay, I have designed this with Canva. This, I'm actually making an advert, right? Very good. So I'm going to bring this again, position these ones by the right. I want to position this one somewhere here. Yeah. So you just got to keep on working on it until it gives you what you are looking for. Okay, so I need to have this one somewhere here. I want it to be the same length with. I want it to be the same length with the image. All right. Sorry, with the video, wherever. Okay. I think. Okay, give me some time. Let me work on it. All right, guys, sorry, it was raining, so it was creating a lot of noise, so I have to look for a way to work on. Now look at it, I've arranged it perfectly well. The video is on the left and the photo is by the right. Okay, you can do videos, can create videos in diverse forms. Okay, just be creative. All right, so I was able to do that, and I have to leave this space here for me to come up with my word captions. Okay, so as the video speak, okay, as the speaker talk, I'm going to be seeing the right top set coming up, which I have done. All right, so how do you do that? Okay, what I did was I actually went into text. You can see here text, click on text, and then you go to click on auto captions, which I have done. You can see the auto captions here. These are the auto captions. So if I take it, you can see it's showing here right now. You can see seeking your dream job and all that, right? That's how she started talking. So this is how I've done. Now, what you do again is if you click on this, all right, click on style. When you click on the text, okay, background, okay, just click on style. And then you can decide to come up with the font you want. So when you click on font, the font I'm using, this is the font I'm using. I'm using this font called Algeria. You can see that. This is the font I'm using right now, okay? Then I have to go for an effect, okay? The effect I'm using is somewhere here, under red background. Okay, this is the effect I'm using. You can see that it's being marked for me. This is the effect I'm using, all right? So you make it look nice. Then I have to go for animation. Okay, under animation, I'm using under in, you have in, out, loop, and caption. Under in, I'm using this one called showing up. All right, then you can do this, drag it to increase, to make it faster. This way, to the left is faster, to the right is slower. All right, so I have to put it at the center so it can match the words. So I'm done with that. So click on here to click this. Then I can play to see how it goes.
Seeking your dream job. Let Dwoco make it a reality.
Okay, so you can see how it comes, right? That's that you're going to be speaking from now. You cannot. As you improve, okay, as you move on, your job become perfect and perfect and perfect, okay? So perfection is not one day stuff, all right? You're going to keep on working on yourself until it becomes something nice for you to present anywhere, anytime. And sometimes what you think that doesn't look nice may be so nice before others. So don't worry yourself, don't kill yourself, okay, looking for perfection. Keep on working on yourself, okay? Maybe one day will be better than the others, stuff like that. So just keep working on yourself until you get it right, okay? People will be calling and say, hey, I want to know how to do this, I want to know how to do this stuff and all that. So guys, this is how you work on your videos, and then you can go through to see if the text are in the way you want it. If it's not in the way you want it, you have to edit it. How do you edit? You click on the text bar, all right, then click on style, and then you can begin to work on it. You can see the background, the workspace for your text. You can see it, right? You can correct the text if you want to correct. For example, I can click on this and remove anything I want to remove and add whatever I want to add, okay? So that it can match the wordings of the avatar speaking for you as we do the video, right? So guys, this is how we do the video. Click on here to upload the videos because we are done. All right, and maybe you can also, yes, another thing, you can decide to add the background sound. You can add the background sound by here, clicking audio. All right, click on sound, and then you're going to have this. Okay, let this come up. Make sure your network is sound. Okay, yeah. So you're going to click on this memory card icon, and then click from device, and then you can decide to go through the sound you have in your phone. if you want to add from your phone. If you don't want to add from your phone, you can go back. If you don't want to add from your phone, you can use the ones they have here. Okay, but most times, okay, these ones, sometimes if you have to present this video using YouTube, or on YouTube rather, they can tell you that, oh, what they used to call it, they're going to tell you are infringing on someone's copyright and all that stuff. So most of them have copyright infringement link, whatever attachment to it. So what you do most times is to use your own device, your sound that you have downloaded from free copyright stuff, sound, and you can use that and you are good to go. So guys, we are good to go. If I want to add, if I don't want to add, I will just leave it like that, okay, and I move on. So what you do, click here. When you click on okay, I think I have to go back, sorry, because I'm not done. Okay, now what I do, click on this way, this is what you click, and then work on resolution. Okay, you can use 720, you can use 1080, but this is what I want to use, 720. So I'm taking to 720, and then your frame rate, leave the frame rate the way it is, code rate, leave it the way it is, okay, and then you can go ahead and work on your video, okay, upload it, okay, to your device, and then you are good to go. All right, go to see some other time. This is for Dr. Tam K. God bless you. Have a wonderful time over there. Bye for now.